Hello everyone, welcome to Dear Denise Diary. My name is Denise. Today we'll be unboxing my new studio light. I've just started this YouTube channel and I feel I need light. I just, at the moment I'm filming, I'm sitting right in front of a lamp and my ceiling light is on, the windows are open, but you can tell it's still not that bright. I got these studio lights from Amazon and we'll be checking them out in a minute. But I just like to say, when you start when you start as a new YouTuber and you do some research, most YouTubers or most advice that you get is like use sunlight, which is a fair advice, which is a really good advice because sunlight is the best. But if you live in the UK, I mean, literally you can have 3 seasons in a day. So, you may be filming and the sunlight would just be fluctuating and it's not the best. Also, sometimes you just want to film at night because for whatever reason. It could be that you have a day job, you get home in the night time. Also during the winter, the days are quite short. If you're a mom like me, you want to spend the day with your child and then probably film at night. Or maybe you just work very well during the night when everybody's asleep and it's nice and quiet. Or for whatever reason, you just like to film at night time, then it means that you need good light. Well, in my case, the first one, I just cannot, I just felt like I need light because sometimes I need to film at night time for the reason that, I'm a mom. So yeah, so I decided to get some lights. I did a few research on YouTube and then I decided to get some lights. So let's have a look at this light that I bought from Amazon. So we've got our scissors and this is the box. This is how it comes in, flat pack like this. Okay, where do we start? So it's opening. Oh, it's a box in a box. Should we open this? Okay. So that's the SAMTIAN, or however you choose to pronounce it. It's that's a manual. Okay, so we have this and second one. This must be the stands or tripod. Yeah, there's nothing else in there. Empty. Okay, if we just put this out of the way, right there. So we've got these. Let's see what's in them. So we have, I guess that's the bag that we can travel around with. These lights, these are the lights, they look smaller than I thought. let's see. I don't know, somehow I was thinking it would be that big. I don't know why. I just thought they would be that big. We've got that. Oh, okay, we have something. We have, so you can plug this one to the mains, I guess. You got that. So if you're in the US, I think you get a different plug to us. So yeah, so this, let's see this one. It's a light. Yep, and we've got two, this as well. So we've put the bag there. Okay, so that's about it. Let's see this. It's in the plastic as well. Just slide it out of the plastic. Yeah, so I guess this is a tripod. Let's try and open it. Yeah. Ooh, okay. And then I think if we release this, pull that up, it's quite high. It's supposed to be 6 meters. Yeah, 6 meters, which is, no, 2 meters. Supposed to be 2 meters, which is actually 6 feet. So it's taller than me, which is good, because if you're standing and filming, you wouldn't want the lights you know, at a lower height than you are. So I guess this is the, I think these are the legs. You need to put your finger here, push it out, put your finger like behind it and push it out, behind it, and then push it out like that. Then what you want to do, oh, okay, so we need to release this. Okay, yeah, so if we place this here, excuse me, if we place this here, you want to push it down. Ooh, push it down, down, and there. So you can literally have it like that. If you think that is stable enough for you, you can just tighten this up. Ooh, there we go. Yeah. Got some little plastic base there, so I guess it doesn't scratch if you have a wooden floor. Also, so if we put, oh, it's almost touching my light bulb. I'll just put this here and we'll set up the other one. So we release this up, tighten it up, release that, we tighten it up. It's all adjustable, it doesn't have to be as high as I'm doing it. So let's do this shorter because we want to, okay, so let's do this at this height, and then put our finger through here. I don't know if you can see through here. So it pushes it out right here, push it out, and then open it. You can just basically push it down like that, and it goes inside out. I think that's stable, and we can tighten it up. Yeah. Oh, I am not sure. Okay, let's see. Okay, so you need to release this because there's this one, it sort of sticks out in there, so you need to release it, and then and then we just place that on here. Okay. Ooh. Oh, okay, and then we tighten it up. Yeah, so how do you, okay, this you should be able to rotate anywhere you want. Okay, so this is how, so you can tighten it up to stabilize it. I don't know if you can see that. You see that it's got the knobs. Going to turn it on in a minute and we'll see how it looks like. Then if we turn it round, you can see when I press it, you can see the lights in there. So you have warm lights and cool lights in there. So when considering LCD lights, one of the most important things you need to think about is the CRI. The CRI basically means color rendering index. Now the color rendering index is how bright or how vivid the color shows on your video or picture. Now most often the I think CRI, the most recommended CRI is like CRI 95, 96 or 97. Just those are superior, those give you superior quality videos, or should I say picture or coloring. And I think usually they are, I mean, a little bit more expensive considering that they give you better quality. Yeah, so if you want your color to be brighter or to show better, or you want superior quality, you might want to consider 95 CRI 95 plus, 96 plus, or 97 plus. These ones are 96 plus. I'm going to link everything down at the bottom. I bought these from Amazon. I mean, when I did my research, I was considering the CRI and then the pricing, because pricing was very important to me. I wanted to make sure I pay as little as possible, but then get the quality that I want. I wasn't going to compromise on the quality. I wanted to get at least 95 plus, and this is 96, and I was willing to pay the price that they had for it. So basically, yeah, so so we're going to plug them in and see how it comes out. Yeah, I mean, we can also get batteries to put in here. I did not order any batteries. I'm not ready to get batteries yet. I know I'll be doing most of my filming at home, so I will be having a socket or a direct socket or mains to plug in. So I didn't think I needed that now, maybe later in the future. So let's see how to plug it in and then see how the lights come out. You have this, and then I think you put them. Okay, the green light is on. It means it's connecting. I'm wondering whether it's because I have no battery on there. Plug this in. Okay. So we've got so these are the knobs. This is supposed to be, I think, on off button here. I don't know why it's not coming on, but we'll see. We'll just leave them for a bit. We'll turn the knobs. This should come on. So I don't know. Oh yeah, see, it's on now. Oh, okay, you need to press all the way down. Let's try this one. Yeah. Ooh, it's nice and bright. Ooh. Do I look better? Let's see. Oh, do I look better in the light?
Yeah.
yeah, so you can see all those tiny lights. You can see there's a warm light, cool lights, they're all in there, and we can adjust them. You can use these to adjust them. This is 100%, and you can go down to basically 0. So let's see, have a look. This is, that's 50%, and then we have, you can go, that's 65, that's going, that's 100, that's the maximum you can get. This one is on 34, 40, and then yeah. So basically that's the lights. And yeah, like I said, I'll put everything down below for you to check it out, or check anything similar to it. Some of them have what they call band windows, that you can literally have them on there, and they can sort of narrow the light. Like this one is spreading, you can sort of concentrate it to something, or into an object or whatever, by having the band light, so that instead of this light spreading off, they sort of bounce back. I thought I was getting some in there, but it doesn't look like there's any in there, and that's fine. This also, you can loosen it. If you lose this up, you can literally direct it up and then tighten it, so you can have it that way. I think it's a bit flimsy though. Look, it's all wobbly, and I cannot get it to line up properly. Anyway, and then you have, when we loosen it up, so say you want it to face downwards, you might want to do it like that, and then you tighten it up. It's supposed to be able to swing 360. So yeah, I hope you find this helpful, because that's the idea. If you do decide to purchase one, let me know. I mean, put it in the comments if you do purchase one. It will be just nice to know that it's been helpful. And also, even if you don't buy, and you think this unboxing, or sort of like a tiny bit of a review, is helpful, I'll be very, very grateful. So yeah, so this is the end of our unboxing. I'm now going to have to tidy this place up. Thank you so much for joining me, or snooping around on my diary. I hope to see you again soon. This is Denise from Dear Denise Diary. Thank you so much, and have a good day. Bye for now.